Alright, this is our Tsune. This is a TK5C-50GL. It's a 2-inch capacity, high-speed saw for steel using carbide blades and cuts them very fast. It's programmable. We've completely rebuilt the machine. And we're going to start off with the bar in the rack and load it up and show that everything's working. There's the new encoder right there. And the bar feed will feed out till it sees it through the proc switches up there. We take this thing down, clean it, and rebuild, replace as we go. You ready? Go ahead. Set it up for a crop cut. It sees that the other bar is gone. Feeds this one out. One-inch bar in 3 seconds. We could probably push it more. Got the door open to show it feeding. We're running a water-soluble coolant. At the speed we're cutting, that would just get too hot. The chute is air operated and we'll switch over to the other side for the end of bar. And then the good parts go this way into the bucket. I say, all the sheet metal comes off and then we start repairing it. It has a mist coolant unit as well as flood. We just ran flood for demo purposes. We've had drives rebuilt in there, parts rebuilt, new bearings in the motor. We only have half of the 20-foot bar feed set up right now. The other half is just mechanical, so it doesn't really matter. We've recalibrated it and cut parts. We're making accurate parts. That's the most important thing. This thing's going to run for a long time. You got another bar in? You should be seeing the end of bar pretty soon. Go around back now. Still got bar in there. Can you see the blue end? Got a 2-second feed time. Okay. Oh, end of bar. Now it's going to feed the next one, but there's no bar. Oh, you don't have another bar in there. All right. There you go. Thanks for viewing our Tsune rebuild saw. Let us rebuild one for you. Thanks for watching.